Whether your drink is staring at you from the coffee table, balancing nervously on the sofa arm, or waiting to be knocked over on the floor, we have the perfect solution for you. Couch Coaster, the ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Its sleek body wraps over the arm of your couch and holds all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. With an integrated mug handle slot and handy adapter, it makes light work of holding mugs, tumblers, bottles and cans. Couch Coaster's secret is its weighted non-slip silicone body, which provides optimum support for your drink over different shapes and sizes of arms on your fabric or leather suite. Couch Coaster's sleek design looks great on any armchair and comes in a variety of colors for the perfect match in your own living room. So, whether you're watching your favorite show, reading your favorite book, or enjoying a casual dinner, Couch Coaster is great for the whole family.
This uniquely designed bedside alarm is an all-in-one accessory for any room or office space. It's more than just your average alarm clock. It's a phone charger, Bluetooth music player, radio, white noise machine, hands-free movie stand, and even a nightlight for any room or setting. Wake up to your favorite FM station with a 10 preset memory bank, standard alarm beat, or choose from 4 nature sounds with the option of setting up 2 different alarm times. Its nightlight function allows you to add your choice of 6 different colors to your wake-up routine, or as a constant light for dark spaces. It plays music from any device via Bluetooth or auxiliary input, and charges any capable wireless device on its sleek phone stand. It even charges via USB for devices without wireless capabilities. Simplify your wake-up and entertainment by iBox.
Training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucide. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Lark uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odour-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilise operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no hydro challenge Lark can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Lark is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.